In a sunny jungle, there lived a little yellow fox named Finn. With his bright fur and fluffy, white-tipped tail, Finn was easy to spot as he hopped around with boundless energy. One morning, Finn woke up, stretched his legs, and gave his tail a happy wag. Today feels like the perfect day for a little adventure, he thought, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He trotted out of his cozy little den, ready to explore. As he walked along a path filled with pink flowers and buzzing bees, Finn heard a cheerful voice call out. It was Zara, a purple butterfly with sparkly wings. "Hello, Finn," she chirped, fluttering around him. "Where are you off to today?" "I'm off to see what new things I can find," Finn replied, his tail swishing. "Do you want to come with me?" Together, Finn and Zara wandered deeper into the jungle, where big green leaves and colourful flowers filled every corner. Soon, they spotted Riley the red panda, dozing on a tree branch above. "Hey, Riley, want to come explore with us?" Finn asked. Riley stretched, yawned, and grinned. "Count me in," he said, climbing down from his cozy branch. Now the three friends walked along, excited to see what they might discover. As they came to a sparkling blue pond, Zara suddenly gasped, "Look, Finn!" Little fish are jumping out of the water. Finn's eyes widened with delight. "Let's get a closer look." Carefully, Finn tiptoed up to the pond's edge, watching the fish hop and splash in the water, creating tiny rainbows in the sunlight. He tried to catch one with his paw, but they were too quick, darting away with little splashes. After watching the fish, the three friends sat down by the pond, enjoying the warm sun on their fur and wings. Finn's heart was full of happiness. "I'm so glad to have friends like you to explore with," he said with a big smile. As the sun began to set, Finn, Zara, and Riley walked back together, talking about all the things they had seen and the fun they had. The jungle felt magical, filled with laughter and friendship. With a final happy wag of his fluffy tail, Finn said goodnight to his friends and headed back to his cozy den, already dreaming about what adventure tomorrow might bring.